In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen photos in Luminar Neo. Sharpening is all about bringing crispness and definition to your image without making it look harsh. Think of it as enhancing the edges so details pop a little more, especially in textures like hair, fabric, foliage, or architecture. Done right, it makes your photo look clearer and more polished. Start by opening your photo, then launch Luminar Neo. Once your image is on screen, switch into the editing workspace by clicking Edit, or simply press the E key on your keyboard. This takes you out of any catalog or preview view and into the place where all the adjustments happen. Next, navigate to the sharpening tools. Depending on your layout or version, look under a section called Image Quality or Essentials. In there, look for either Details or Sharpen. This is where sharpening happens and is designed to be straightforward, so you can focus on what you see rather than on complicated settings. Inside the tool, you'll see options that may include a simple sharpen mode and a sharpen slider. Start with simple sharpen if it's available. It applies a balanced approach that works well for most images. Then, move to the sharpen slider. Increase it slowly and watch the important areas of your photo: edges of eyes in a portrait, fine lines in architecture, or leaves in a landscape. Go gradually. It's better to inch the slider up and pause to evaluate than to jump to a high value right away. The goal is clarity, not crunch. As you adjust, keep an eye out for common warning signs: halos or glowing outlines around edges, speckled noise in flat areas like skies, or an overall brittle look. If you see any of that, pull the slider back a bit. Small changes can make a big difference, especially on high-resolution images. A helpful approach is to focus on a key area where detail matters most and let that guide your overall amount. If it looks clean and defined there, it's likely right for the whole image. Remember that every photo is different. A soft portrait might need a lighter touch, while a detailed landscape can handle a bit more. When the image looks crisp and natural, you're done. You've used Luminar Neo's details or sharpen controls to enhance definition in a controlled, tasteful way. Subtlety is the secret. Stop as soon as it looks clear, and your photo will retain a professional, realistic finish.